think these are just for snacking? Think again. If your soap bar looks like this rough and uneven, I am going to show you why a potato chips is actually the best tools in your studio. Welcome to the Zone tutorial. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Commercial soap planners can be expensive, especially when you don't have the tools, but these are the things you can use from your home. I call this potato chip slice, or whatever it is, or banana chip slice, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and in this video I'll be taking you through on how to use it. All right, stay tuned and do not leave my channel. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and subscribe for more videos. Love you all. And in this video today, all I do is just to make our soap or mold it. This does not include recipe. I have recipe of this same soap. Okay, this was uploaded on my short video, and I promise to show you guys on how you can get a smooth surface. Do not forget that our soap cutter, multi-purpose soap cutter, foldable, is available. We can as well customize for you. Our mini cutters are also available for sales. Now that we are done cutting our soap, you can see the surface is rough, and this is one thing we don't like. You don't have to break a bank to get a smooth soap surface. Look at this 3 soap. You can see, okay, this is all made by me. Okay, and we can see the surface. The middle one is what we want to achieve the look in this video. And let's dive into the video. This is the soap. Imagine displaying your soaps like this. The back side is beautiful and unique, while the face is bad. Okay, this is the back side. Like I said, you can see how smooth, clean, and neat it is, but it will not be fair for the surface of our soap to be rough. That is why we are here to learn together as families. Subscribe, because I'll be giving you more tips on my channel. Okay, this is our soap. This is one thing we'd want to take out, all right, to get that beautiful luxury soap, even if we are not using machine. Okay, the first thing we are going to be getting is our potato chip slice. Okay, or plantain chips slice, let's call it like that. This is it. So I'm just demonstrating. I'm going to show you the full how it is. It comes in different shapes. Okay, I got this from my kitchen. It's from one of the item I got from Temo, and this is just it. Can you see it now? This is how it comes. So you can have it in bigger size or smaller size, whatever you know. This is potato chip slice or plantain chip slice. This is all we need. All we need is simple. It's something you can get from your kitchen, and it's something you can get as low as 1,500, 2,000, 1,500, depending on the size. Okay, to achieve the smooth surface, this is all we are going to do right now. Watch me in this video as I demonstrate how it's being used. Can you see that? Now I pick a soap that has a rough edge. I just run it through like I'm slicing my potatoes, or I'm slicing my chips on it. I did the first running. It's not smooth. I did the second running, because this chip slice, we only slice out that tiny piece. It's tiny, you hardly know. Okay, that is just it. Have you seen how I am demonstrating it? It's simple and it's easy to use. Do the same thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, so that YouTube can help me to push this video to more audience. Can you see exactly what I am doing? The first one that I did, you can see the very beautiful smooth surface. All right, now watch this again. This is just me demonstrating it once more. I am running it through and running it through. Can you see the first layers does not give me what I needed? I run it through the second one, and if I am okay, I'm good to go. That's just it. Okay, it only take out just slight, tiny. What I am doing here is the gaps in my soap. Yes, there are air when I pour that soap. Okay, I'm just using from the pieces that I slice out to fill in the gaps. That's just it. And for you to be able to make use of this, please make sure your soap is well molded and unmold it after 24 to 48 hours before you can start using it. Bye bye, see you in my next video.